Advanced Clinicals, Callus, Rough Spot Cream, 8 fluid ounces, 237 milliliters. Product Overview Description. For Salon Professionals, Enzymes instantly soften dry, cracked calluses, renews thick, calloused skin with smoothing vitamin E and urea, and cover silky, smooth skin with lactic acid and jojoba oil. Calluses, cracked heels, peeling skin and rough areas. Suggested use. Apply liberally to heels and dry, tough, calloused skin. Massage well until completely absorbed. Use as often as needed. For overnight results, apply generously to feet and cover with socks before bed. Other ingredients: aloe barbadensis leaf juice, cetearyl alcohol, mineral oil, glyceryl stearate, urea, cetearyl 20, lactic acid, glycerin, isopropyl myristate, caprylic, capric triglyceride, butylene glycol, squalene, ceramide 2, piroctone olamine, simmondsia chinensis, jojoba, seed oil, prunus amygdalus dulcis, sweet almond, oil, tocopherol acetate, menthol, hydrolyzed collagen, disodium EDTA, carica papaya fruit extract, camellia sinensis leaf extract, Anthemis nobilis flower extract, citric acid, polysorbate 20, fragrance, phenoxyethanol, caprylic, ethylxylglycerin, hexylene glycol, xanthan gum, sodium hydroxide. Warnings. For external use only. If irritation develops, discontinue use. Keep out of the reach of children. Sunburn alert. This product contains alpha hydroxy acids that can increase your skin sensitivity to sunlight. Use a sunscreen and limit sun exposure while using this product and for 2 weeks afterwards. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.